As I mentioned in previous videos, we bought another house and we're planning on moving to it. This one is for our old age. It has fewer steps and things like that. We're trying to make it lower maintenance. And one of the things the house came with is this solar hot water heater. And you may say, hey, that sounds like a great deal, you know, cut your electric bills and all that. But let's go over it and see why I wouldn't recommend it. First of all, you can see down here that it's yeah, you can see water vapor inside there, and yeah, it's leaking internally. So that's, you can't really fix these things. They're going to have to come in and replace a panel on it, which would be rather expensive. Also, if you're putting this on a sloped roof, now fortunately this is a flat roof, if you're putting it on a sloped roof, well, to get to some of these maintenance items would be a real headache. So let's move around to the other side and I'll show you some of those maintenance items. Here you can see there's 3 pressure valves. One of them is down there, and it's supposed to be tested every 6 months. This is another pressure release valve, and it's also supposed to be tested every 6 months. And then here's the third one, and it's also supposed to be tested every 6 months. You can see that the previous owner has allowed the insulation to deteriorate, and yeah, there should be insulation on most of these pipes, but it's no longer there. So yeah, every 6 months, and that's kind of a problem. Of course, if you live in freezing weather, this thing has to be activated, right? It's, otherwise, if you let it go cold, it would, the water in it would freeze. And I mentioned that, yeah, it's not really great because only about 25% of the heat is coming from the sun. The rest of it is, this is an electric cable because this is actually electrically heated. So most of the heat is coming from electricity. It's really only solar boosted. It's not, you can't really say it's solar hot water. It's, yeah, solar added or something, but it's not, the majority is not solar. So that's kind of an issue, is it's the way it's missold. Let's go around the other side and I'll show you what's going on over there. So here you can see 2 valves right down there, and those valves are to turn off the hot water from the system. So if you want to do any maintenance on your house where you need to work on the hot water, you need to come up on your roof and turn those off, or at least better locate the valves. Yeah, these aren't located very well for the average homeowner. Again, it's just it would be hard to work on this thing or keep it maintained. Well, that's it for this quick review of a solar hot water heater. This particular one is from Australia. I've seen them from other countries. They're all basically the same. They have, you know, multiple panels, a central hot water heating system, and they all require significant maintenance. And yeah, so I wouldn't recommend it. We're not going to replace this, and we're going to take it out, and we're going to put in electric point of use hot water heaters around each of the bathrooms, and that is immensely cheaper than replacing this thing. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful and interesting in whatever home projects you're working on.